guys first how to make the chickpea, I'm going to show you first. Why I'm having such a problem talking after I say chickpea. How to make the chickpea patties. Oh my god, that was so difficult. Chickpea patties, chickpea patties. Come on, little food processor, you can do it. It's always the fun part. Always the fun part. You're a ninja. You're a ninja. You can do it. Yeah, there we go. It's a doing it. It's a change of colors. It doesn't expire. I like to buy stuff and leave it in my fridge forever. I know this. I must need a coffee. Coffee does sound good. Oh yeah, it totally does. Oh my god. Okay, that's enough of that. Let's go. So the next part of the show, guys. On to the next part. It's so exciting. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, the Heathen Vegan, an online, mostly gluten-free cooking channel where I show you guys how to make some really good food that's good for you, that's good for the environment. I try to make sure that the ingredients that I use is as whole as they can be, meaning that I try to make sure I use the most purest type of food that I can. The purpose of my channel also is to show you guys that you can take mainstream comfort foods and you can turn them into food that's good for you, that tastes good, and is good for the environment. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make chickpea patties, chickpea and zucchini patties, and I'm also going to show you guys how to make cheesy cauliflower rice. Alright guys, let's get on with the video. I'm excited to do this. You are going to need some type of food processor. I have my little handy dandy food processor here. So to start this off, you are going to need about 2 cups of breadcrumbs. I made my own breadcrumbs. These are gluten-free. They're vegan, of course. And I did make the video for that, which I'll show you. The video, if you want to make your very own breadcrumbs. I toasted mine a little bit too much, but that's okay. You're going to want to take your 2 cups of breadcrumb and you're going to want to just gently pulse them until they're somewhat coarse. You don't want them very, very finely coarse, but you want them a little bit smaller than they are. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your whole can of chickpeas and you're going to want to, first before you drain them, you are going to want about a 1/4 cup of the fluid from here. Now this is aquafaba. And we're not doing anything with the aquafaba today. The aquafaba is just to keep our patties moistened. Typically what you can do with aquafaba, if you want to save the liquid from it, is you can save the liquid from aquafaba, and it actually works really well for making whipped cream and for baking, believe it or not. It's actually really good for those things. So I'm going to save my aquafaba. Now that we have our chickpeas drained, we're going to add our chickpeas to our breadcrumbs. In addition to about 2 tablespoons of the reserve aquafaba. Come on, little food processor, you can do it. Okay, that's looking good. I want to also start putting in the rest of my ingredients. I'm going to put in my mushrooms. I'll put in my peppers, my onions, and my garlic. Because of the fact that I have such a small food processor, I am going to do my zucchini separately and then mix it in with these guys. Now, if you have a big food processor, definitely go for it and, you know, put everything in at once. Alright, so let's do the zucchini. We'll mix it up. There we go. If you guys have an actual like food processor that has the grate attachment on it, you can do this. Since I don't, I'm going to use this. I'm going to put this in here and I'm going to start to grate my cauliflower. Start with the rice. You're going to, if you don't have a grater on your food processor, you're going to get like a box grater. And you're going to start to grate it like this. Just be careful of your fingers. And it doesn't take that long. It's actually really, really easy to do. You just keep on taking bits of your cauliflower and rubbing it against here. Again, if you have the food processor that has the grater attachment, absolutely use that. This right here though, if you don't, and you're doing it like this, you got to make sure though with the box grater that you have, I'll show you in a second. Let's get done with this. That you have one that has the big holes, because you can see here these ones have little holes and those are little holes, and then that's a slicer. So make sure it has the big holes on it. And these are really